Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best pressure washer gauge is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for any pressure washing enthusiast or professional, acting as the crucial interface between your machine's raw power and the delicate surfaces you aim to clean, ensuring optimal performance and preventing costly damage by providing precise control over water pressure, which is paramount for tasks ranging from stripping stubborn paint to gently rinsing your car. Number 5. MEASUREMAN 2-to-1 hydraulic pressure gauge. Introducing the MEASUREMAN 2-to-1 hydraulic pressure gauge, designed for precise pressure readings. It's ideal for measuring gas and liquid pressures in demanding environments. This gauge features a durable 304 stainless steel case and is glycerin-filled to handle vibration and pulsation effectively. Its robust construction ensures reliability. With a dual-scale pressure range of 0 to 5,000 psi/kPa, it offers versatility for various applications. The lower mount with 1 4-inch NPT ensures easy installation. Experience accuracy of +3-2-3% for dependable measurements. The brass-wetted parts are suitable for non-corrosive fluids, providing excellent performance. Choose MEASUREMAN for your pressure measuring needs. This liquid-filled gauge is engineered for longevity and consistent performance, even under challenging conditions. What we like. This gauge is ideal for applications where vibration and pulsation are a concern. Its liquid-filled design ensures stable readings and protects internal components. If you need a robust gauge for industrial or commercial use with gas or liquid, this is a solid choice. What people say. The gauge is easy to read and has a good range. It's very accurate and helps me set the right pressure for different tasks. The build quality feels solid and connects securely to the pressure washer. Number 4. Simpson Dial N Wash Pressure Regulator 82232. Introducing the Simpson Dial N Wash, the ultimate pressure washer accessory. Effortlessly adjust the pressure output for any cleaning task, from tough surfaces to delicate materials. Fine-tune your cleaning with an easy twist of the dial. Select min, medium, or max pressure to achieve perfect results and minimize the risk of damage to surfaces. Get started in seconds with its tool-free setup. This accessory easily attaches between your pressure washer gun and extension wand using standard M22 fittings. Designed for cold or warm water cleaning up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ideal for a wide range of residential and commercial jobs. Please note, it is not designed for soap or chemical injection. Built to last, it handles heavy use with a rating of up to 4,500 psi. This versatile accessory provides the control and consistency that both DIY users and professionals demand. What we like. Effortlessly adjust your pressure washer's output with a simple twist. If you're looking to protect surfaces while achieving optimal cleaning results for various materials like brick, wood, or vehicles, this accessory offers precise control and ease of use. What people say. The gauge is easy to install and read. It accurately measures the pressure of the washer. The gauge is durable and has held up well to use. Number 3. 4,000 psi Glycerin liquid-filled pressure gauge. Experience precise and reliable pressure readings with our professionally manufactured gauge. Its large, high-contrast dial makes it easy to read at a glance. Thanks to its glycerin filling, this gauge offers stable pointer movement and dampens vibrations. This ensures accurate dual-scale PSI bar readings without needle flutter. Constructed with a rust-resistant stainless steel case and durable brass internals, it's designed to withstand demanding industrial and commercial applications. This gauge is ideal for a wide range of systems, including pumps, compressors, and HVAC equipment. It's suitable for air, oil, water, and gas. Featuring a standard 1/4 NPT lower connection, it ensures compatibility with most regulators and fittings. Please confirm your connection size before purchase. Meet industry standards with ASME B40.1 Grade A accuracy. You can trust its performance for critical applications. What we like. Achieve professional-grade accuracy with this ASME B40.1 Grade A certified gauge. Its glycerin filling provides exceptional stability against vibration. If you require reliable and precise pressure readings for industrial, commercial, or even demanding residential applications, this heavy-duty option is built to last. What people say. The gauge is easy to read and has a clear display. It accurately measures the pressure, which is essential for proper cleaning. The gauge is well built and feels durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 2. Watflow 2-to-1 pressure washer gauge kit. Ensure precise pressure readings for your high-pressure washer equipment. This gauge is designed for reliable performance. Featuring a 2-to-1 2-inch dial with a stainless steel case and brass internals, it's built to last. The liquid-filled design also protects against vibrations. The clear, single-scale display shows readings from 0 to 5,000 psi. It's easy to monitor your pressure levels at a glance. It comes with a universal 3/8-inch quick connect socket and plug. This allows for easy and fast connection with most pressure washer brands and models. Achieve accurate results with a measurement accuracy of +3-2-3%. You can trust the readings it provides for your tasks. What we like. Simplify your pressure washing setup with this universal quick connect gauge. The liquid-filled design ensures a vibration-proof and easy-to-read display. If you value quick, tool-free connections and consistent performance on your pressure washer equipment, this kit is designed for convenience. What people say. The gauge is easy to read and has a good range of pressure. It's very accurate and helps me set the right pressure for different tasks. The build quality is solid and it feels like it will last a long time. Number 1. Twinkle Star Pressure Washer Adapter Set. Introducing the Twinkle Star Pressure Washer Adapter Set, designed for seamless connections. It makes attaching and detaching your pressure washer accessories a breeze. This set offers a wide range of adapters, converting standard threads to quick-release fittings. It ensures compatibility with most 3/4 garden hoses and pressure washer pumps. Crafted from corrosion-resistant brass, these adapters are built to last. They can handle a working pressure of up to 5,000 psi, ensuring reliable performance. Please note that our M22 swivel fitting has a 14 mm inner diameter. It is designed for M22-14 mm fittings and may not be compatible with M22-15 mm fittings, which can cause leaks. The package includes various quick connect fittings to meet all your pressure washing needs. You'll find everything you need to easily connect your pump, hose, and gun. Experience the convenience of quick connect and disconnect functionality. This allows for rapid setup and breakdown of your pressure washing equipment. What we like. This adapter set offers a comprehensive solution for connecting your pressure washer components. With M22 swivel and various quick connect fittings, it ensures compatibility and easy transitions. If you frequently switch between different hoses, guns, or need to adapt garden hoses to your pressure washer, this versatile kit is a must-have. What people say. The gauge is easy to read and has a good range of pressure. It's very accurate and helps me set the right pressure for different tasks. The build quality feels solid and it connects securely to my pressure washer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.